So here once again we are on the Excel sheet where we have the data, which is seller name, the person who sold the items, products, and here are the products like notebook, bag, marker, diary, pen, and the quantity of this notebook and the product sales, the price of these products. And now we have the task to count and to calculate the total of these things. How to calculate that in Excel? Because we have 5 quantity and the price given over there. So what we'll do, we'll only put the is equal to over here and then select the quantity and put the multiply sign, because we are going to multiply this quantity with the price. So just select the price and hit Ctrl. Here we go. We can see that the 750 is the price of all 5 notebooks on the price 150, which is 1. So now we'll not calculate all of these products. We have already got one of them. Now we'll just select these and hit the Ctrl D button for all the four things we wanted. Then, for example, if we have sold our items more than 500, so bonus will be 5%. Otherwise, we'll get 3% of the bonus. So to do that, we'll just use the formula of if. Just select the if formula. To use the if formula, first hit 0 and then if. So have to define if, and then logical test is this: if this is more than 500, so we'll get 5%. If it isn't, we'll get if it is less than. Here is we have pop-up this. Otherwise we'll get 3%. Just hit enter and we go. We have percentage. Now just select the percentage sign and drag it down to here. And ready? It's normal. You can see this is less than 2, so this is less than 500. That's why we can see that here is the 3%, but otherwise everywhere is 5%. So just let me explain it some detail to you that you can understand that if for example we are going to go down like see how that is seen. So it was normal I can say that the total and bonus. So just do it yourself.